Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by noticing when the chewing or gum motion occurs and why. This awareness matters. Once you identify triggers, stress, caffeine, habit, reduce exposure immediately and substitute a less intense oral activity. Use a timer for 10 to 15 minutes to delay the impulse. That pause weakens the habit. Make sure to hydrate and keep hands busy with a pen or textured object, since sensory replacement helps your jaw forget the motion. You now shift to deliberate practice. Plan measurable reductions and record each urge, time, intensity on a 1 to 10 scale, so you can spot patterns. Once done, perform short jaw relaxation routines 3 times a day, holding relaxed posture and gentle stretches for 30 to 60 seconds to retrain muscles. Make sure to replace chewing with deliberate small actions, like sipping water or mints. Consistency matters because repetition rewires the automatic motor pattern into a new, controlled habit. You finish by tapering substitutes across 1 to 2 weeks while reinforcing relaxed jaw posture during daily activities. Once done, practice brief self-checks. Scan your face, breathe, and release any tension. This cements the change. If you slip, don't panic. Stop, document the trigger, and restart with a 10-minute delay tactic immediately. Make sure to consult a dentist or therapist if pain, clenching, or involuntary motions persist beyond 6 weeks, because medical or behavioral therapy may be needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.